rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Head to the phones for more missions. There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be allowed and pick up my fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our backs as we go in the hotel?
Nice one. Here's your payment. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a blue Mondino parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city and make the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now kill them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Head to the phones for more missions. A weasel who fancies himself as a drug lord has got a ship hidden in a bus to the east of the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, we've only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. German, gut gemacht. Here's your money, but keep an eye on for the cops. Hey, head back to the phones for more missions. The residents of the local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. Ike stashed a remote-triggered bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. Now, drop the bomb. Great! Now, get out of there and go to the sky. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. A friend's just found out that I'm banging his wife. Waste him before he tracks me down. Wipe him out! Nicely done. Here's your money. Head towards the payphone for another assignment. Okay, we should enjoy this. Get in the truck parked in the car park by the hotel. I fitted explosives to a few remote-controlled cars. They caught the wife with some other guy the other night, and I just thought of the perfect punishment. Drive one of the RCs underneath the car and blow her to death. Here's your money. Hey, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. Ike stopped the car in the back street. Find it before the cops do. Great! Now take it to Kenny's garage in the south of the city. The cops are onto you, so better watch out. Here's your danger money. Hey, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. A rival gang are meeting behind some buildings to the northwest. Waste them. Watch out! They're onto you! Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Nice one. Now, get the rest. Ha! Great! Here's your money.